Okay, now we're on the far north side of the building next to the old hardware store, and we're going to take a stroll back. You can see a little bit of a tear in the wall there. We've got the access hatches open trying to dry things out, but everything under there is insulated, and it's quite effectively holding the water right now. So we're trying to find a contractor to actually remove it. This fence, we're now in what's called PeeDees Park. This is the old off-leash dog park. That fence came from the very far end, way at the other end. The picnic table was on top of that, upside down. It was quite amazing. Well, here's all of our water heaters, safely up high, except not safely enough, all underwater. The water line is up there. Obviously some damage here, which has been okay because it's actually opened up to the air so that we can air it out. Well, our fans don't seem to be running, so I'd say the generator is out of gas. Good thing we're back here. But we do have these giant fans running, trying to air it out back here, or under the building rather. And another water heater, obviously destroyed. But our orange tree survived, amazingly, sort of. And one of the palm trees that I planted seems to be okay. There used to be a fence here. That's the Billmore's back parking lot. And here's a couple of more destroyed water heaters. And another access panel that we've got open. Again, there's normally a fence here. The storm surge was quite intense, as you can tell. It actually scoured underneath that. And here's our third pile of rubble and mattresses. Here's the smashed gas mains. So obviously there's no hot water anyway, even if we had hot water heaters. This dumpster was on a different property until they brought it back yesterday. You can see something hit the side of the wall there pretty hard and punched a hole in it. And now we're at the far back of the property. You can see the pool fence. Something very large floated over there and smashed right through that. Probably, we're guessing, that dumpster. And again, here's a whole bunch of beds and debris, furniture, you name it, fence parts, it's all here. Yeah, the bed bases are just mush. They soaked up so much water. They weigh a ton too, it's amazing. Well, that's about it. That's the whole property in a nutshell. I'm not sure I'd call it a total loss, but it's a huge loss.